So this is lab 8. This is installing and testing ClamAV antivirus. So we're going to get on with this quick. So this screenshot shows the terminal output for installing ClamAV. So you can see lines like parent unpack, ClamAV, unpacking ClamAV, and setting up ClamAV. So ClamAV, so followed by the system disabling the ClamAV fresh clam at the bottom. So yeah, so the service here. So for TGI, this code basically it just confirms the core antivirus software is so it works. So it's like it's successfully used on the server. So analyzing this step makes sure that we have a stable security foundation before handling any e-commerce files or customer database elements. So that's screenshot 1. So as we move on to screenshot 2, it captures a failed web download, so it returns an error 403. So and it's followed then basically just followed by the successful move and verification of a local file. This text shows here the command, and after it runs a sudo file on it, which outputs that it's valid. So it's valid. So as you can see, it's right here. So Clam Antivirus database with this amount of signatures. So for TGI, this code is very important because it proves the user server has successfully it's just loaded the required threat intelligence just to to recognize and block that modern malware. So we'll move on to screenshot 3. So this screenshot basically just displays the baseline system scan using a sudo clam scan, and it is targeting this right here, specifically called it targets the web directly, just recursively. So the terminal basically outputs right here. So it's a scan summary showing infected files 0. So so it's been scanned and it shows there's no infected files. So basically analyzing this result is very important for TGI because it shows that there's a clean security baseline. So this shows that there's how would I say a public web directory. So it's completely uncompromised and free from any pre-existing malicious code. So that's screenshot 3. And as we move on to screenshot 4, this screenshot shows the active threat test where I think it was if just see if it's here. So what we've done here, just have to re-jog my memory for a sec. So we just downloaded this part. We downloaded this file so we downloaded it into the web directory. So running the scan again, it shows what the output text. So it shows this here, and it updates the summary to infected files 1. So that's right there. So this step basically just shows the proof of it shows the normal proof for TGI, and it shows that our threat detection strategy is fully operational, and it will catch any it will catch and stop malicious uploads in real time. So it will always be active. So that's lab 8, and we'll see you for lab 9.